Hey everybody, just wanted to give you a quick update and have something where it's all in one place for you. Um, so first of all, I want you to check PowerSchool and see what it is that you're missing. I have entered grades. Some of this was prior to the school closure. So anything that you're missing, if it's bookwork, take a picture of and email it to me. If it's an IXL, then get that done and shoot me an email saying that you finished those things up. So keep up on there, and anything that gets plugged into PowerSchool, I want you to send me an email for what you finish. Next thing is I have posted the Chapter 9 test onto Google Classroom. We were going to be taking that this week. I made a Google form. The whole thing's multiple choice. I want everybody to get a 70% or better. So if you score below a 70%, I'm going to have you do a retake. Mrs. Allred has offered, if anybody is interested and wants the test read to them, that you can set up a time and meet and do a Zoom online meeting and take the test at that time, and she can read it to you. Retakes, anybody scoring less than a 70, you must do a retake, and on those retakes you can score up to a 75%. I would like to get, my goal as far as this week goes is trying to get everybody through that Chapter 9, and then we'll go from there. As far as the next unit, I'm putting things together. I'm trying to have it all in one place for you, so when I post it, you'll have one place to go and look for things. So we aren't starting up that next unit quite yet, just trying to get everybody done with Chapter 9 first. And then the last thing to mention, make sure you're taking care of yourself. Not just the schoolwork, but make sure you're exercising and get outside, take the dog for a walk, and get rid of the technology once in a while. I know keeping up on your schoolwork's important, but unplugging things, turning off the TV, your phone, computer, whatever it is, turn those things off for a while. Read a book, things like that. Take care of yourself mentally and physically during this time too. Hey, if you have any questions, again, shoot me an email and we can set up times to do Zoom meetings and answer questions and do things that way. See ya.